Today's a sad day for at least 3 of us. Amy and Jenna are headed home.
No, Jenna, I think it'll probably be just as fast to stay on the interstate. So we'll go to Fargo. You ever been to Fargo?
I've never been to North Dakota.
Oh, I think you have.
No, we haven't. Where we're at?
5 or 6 miles east of Glendive.
Okay.
Stop, Jenna.
I don't need to stop.
Richard?
Richard?
Jamie?
No. What are we listening to?
It's awesome.
That's my shoes on my feet.
You're just sleeping.
Oh, yeah.
How far away are we from Bismarck, Dad?
About 45 miles.
Okay.
Bismarck, North Dakota.
At the
Airport.
Look,
Why?
I'm not videotaping.
Yes, you are. Not stupid.
On the South Dakota, North Dakota line.
You know that, the bald guy?
The ugly guy?
Yeah. He plays our own music video.
Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Probably almost about 8 o'clock.
Oh, we should get it. Have it in here yesterday. Sioux City. But I didn't remember that this Iowa's only 65 speed limit.
It looks like maybe
Knock, knock.
Jamie and Jenna didn't get anything taped after their
Knock, knock.
trip on their way to home. They got home on the, got to Marines on the 18th, and Jim turned around, and Jim and Rich turned around and came back the same day, and they got home
What's her name?
last night about 11:30. Jamie and Jenna should be in school right now.
I was wondering if you could
We
take
really miss them.
because we are going to...
Had a little bit of a rain shower this morning. Jim and Jim Baker went to Circle to get some combine parts. So the girls and I are hanging out till they get back. You're gonna what? What are you gonna do? Drive? Where are you going? Where are you going to? California? Nebraska? Where are you going? Nebraska? It's okay, you can fix it. Ask Dad if you're going to quit for tonight, Callie.
Dad.
You have to talk on the three-way. On that radio right there.
What radio? Where's the radio? Yes? I say about medium.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what? How about you grab mine? How about you jam?
Did you hold the button down? Today we're picking up rocks for the fun of it and building our little house. one up that's not in the ground.
Oh, I need this one.
Don't drop it on your toes.
We're gonna use it for a carpet,
Oh, that's a good idea.
but she won't put it there. No! Here, come here, Mom. How do you spell welcome? How do you spell welcome home?
H-M-E.
H-O. There we go. Welcome home. On the carpet. Baby bear.
Thank you, baby bear.
Callie, tea party time. No.
You should go sit on your chairs. Taylor made you some chairs.
Please, Mom. Mom, please.
No.
Yeah. We made ourselves a little playhouse.
I see that. Wow, that's pretty neat. That was a lot of hard work too, I bet. A lot of rocks though, doesn't it?
Sure, does the water pump go up and down?
You hung it on the light, Jim.
Whoa. So I'm fixing them up.
You're fixing the roads up?
No. They ran into the. Callie was driving these around
And they wrecked and run into the mud?
Yeah. So I'm getting them wood.
Needless this hat on. Today or you will be dead.
Mom, where's our lunch?
I'll go get it.
What?
I'll go get it. there was a fire started this morning with a little cloud that came over just to the west of Jim and Marjorie's. There should be a fire plane flying over us here any second. We just got done with lunch, probably our last lunch in the field for the year 2001. Charlie O'Connor's weed patch is all we have left for the year in Montana. Looks like we're mowing grass. There's the field that we started on. Almost 600 acres in that field.
Oh, Susie, cute. I love you. Oh, Susie, you're such an apple tail.
And if we're here next year, there's our next year's field. And there's the two monsters.
Hi.
Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.